For us at Daimler, TOA is a great platform to meet people from various disciplines and backgrounds and to engage with them here at our Digital Life bus, at workshops, at our House of Tech booth or at our Digital Life Tech Talks. The sun is shining, so let's check out what we got in store for you at our market booth at House of Tech.
At Daimler, digitalization is not only about technology, but also about people.
With our Digital Life Tech Talk series, we want to get in touch with people, our trends, technology and our beautiful products.